All right, our starting five of both teams. For pink team, we have Simon, Bossing Criswan, Silger, Bert Ginto, Sir Tom Sawyer, and Willie Calanog. For the blue team, we have Peñalosa, Arman Guadagna, Ambion, Baybay, and Tatay Okop. Our officiating team, we have Sir Chester, Sir Meek, and Sir Michael of A-Star, headed by Sir Romy Misahon. First quarter, our timekeeper, Teen, scorekeeper, parang Brian Kasi, videographer natin, Jay Amarasigan, ang ating, tuck-in, tuck-out po sila, sir, kasi medyo Facebook Live Coordinator Lira Marasigan, and yours truly po, your commentator, Miss Camille Marasigan. First quarter, Blue Mamba versus the Bossing. Nakuha ganino. First ball po sa, ayun, naagaw gani Tito Boy. 2 points agad-agad yan for Tatay Okop. Hindi naglaro si Tatay Okop last game. There we go. Sir Tom Sawyer, wala rin last game, pero ito na. Rebound the Blue Mamba. Wala na siya sa block, kaya sa Blue Mamba na si Tito Larry. Sir, bye-bye. Pass to. Naipit sa ilalim. Shot clock, 7. Kelyoven, too strong. Miscommunication. Turnover po tayo. We have our mandatory 5 substitution every 5 minutes po for the first and second quarter. House rules natin yan. Sir Gilbert Ginto, shot clock 10. Tito Willie, inistan nyo na yan. Favorite shot, got his 2 points. Score natin, all 2. Bye-bye. Pinasa. 10 to shoot. Nice pass, short. Kanina. 3-second shot clock. For 3 points. That's a bang, bang, bang. For Kuya Lioven, bye-bye. 8 minutes, 22 seconds on the first quarter. Calanog dribbling the ball. Pass to Sir Tom Sawyer. Shot clock is 12. Calanog. Pinasa tumira. Sir Simon, no good. Sir Gilbert pala yan. Sir Gilbert. No good ang reverse shot. Sir Tom Sawyer. Pinasa. Ano? Nice pass to Bossing. 2 points for Bossing Criswan. 7 is 43 seconds. Kuya Men. Nasa. Shots for 3, no good. Bossing for the rebound. Ito, Willie Calanog, binaba ang bola. To Sir Tom Sawyer, 15-second shot, but Bossing jump shot. Too strong. Rebound the Blue Mamba. That's a steal. Sir Simon gets his 2 points. And we are deadlock at 6. 6-5. 1 point lead by the Pink Crushers. Kuya Lioven. Pinasa. Ang lakas. Kanya pa rin. Shot clock. Hindi ko makita. Nakarang sa rep. Ayan. Good. Fresh 14. That's a steal. Sir Simon. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 37. Ambion. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot. Good. Second shot is good, parang 2 for 2 for Sir Simon. Two points for Kuya Amen Guadanya. Time remaining 6:07. Shot clock is 12. Blanc. Turnover tayo. Kuya Men. Pasok yung 11. Naipit sa ilalim. Binato lang. Sir Tom Sawyer for the rebound. Tito Willie, inista nyo. Gets the 2 points. Tito Boy. Pasok kay 11, almost stolen. Pasok ko niya, pass back to kay 11. Gets the 2 points, nice pass. 5:20 on the clock. In a few seconds po, mandatory, ano tayo? Time to shoot. The good. At ito na naman, chance na naman ng Blue, madagdagan ng kalamangan. 2 points. Mandatory substitution po. Second 5 tayo. Second 5. Ayan, pakitingnan na lang po. Ano, pakimonitor na lang. Mga committee na lang. Coach Perry and Commissioner. Second 5 tayo, may maiiwan sa pink. Kasi ang pink, ang blue din yata. May iiwan. Sir George Nick daw. Ten to shoot. Patay, batike. Boxing, 3 seconds shot clock. Good. And there was a foul behind. It's a foul committed by Tito Tito Boy. 36. First personal fouls, second team foul. Bossing, shooting for 2. First shot is good, dulas. Second shot. 2 for 2 for Bossing. 12-11. Lamang uli. Lamang na ng isa ng ating Pink Crushers. Si Miranda, sir. 12 to shoot. And jamming for 3. No good yan. Same ball. 13. Fresh 13. Sorry, yung towel masera. Ayan. Baka mapagalitan ng misis. Balak mo lang. 10 to shoot. Shots wala. No good. Miranda. Almost lost his footing. 3 seconds shot clock. And there's and one. Number 7. First personal. First team pa. Si Tito Larry. The Blue Mamba shooting for the bonus shot. Pag lumipat sa pink si Tito Larry, di Pink Mamba na siya. And one yan. Tapos pag nag-white Mamba na. Ano score mo dyan? 12-13. score. Oops! But there was a whistle. Who's foul rep? Number 14, Sir Miranda pushing foul. First personal, second team foul. First personal, second team foul on Sir Miranda. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Foul. Number 41. Philioben. Bossing 2 points. Backcourt violation po. Nasa kabila pa, hindi pa nakakatawid. Last game po natin, black versus green. 8-second shot clock. Galing po tayo sa 14, ha? Ang ganda naman na reverse shot by Sir Miranda, 2 points. 1:40 on the clock. Same ball. Hindi po ako makapag-shout out. Ayan yan. Sige pa. 3 points by Sir Enjape. That's a bang, bang, bang. Patay kayo ka Sir Enjape, pinakawalan niya. 15 to shoot. Almost lost the ball. Bossing nabitawan. Tumira ng walang bola si Bossing. Same ball. 5 to shoot. 5-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. 5 seconds. Oh, yun lang. Hindi nakashoot. Lost his dribble. Oh, halito dito. Larry. 15 to shoot. Stolen back. Umikot! Wow! What a shot by Kuya Lioben. 8 seconds. Buzzer na lang po maririnig nyo. 3 seconds. Nice shot by Tito Barok. End of the first quarter. Score po natin is 18-19 in favor of blue. Ay, all 18, sorry. All 18. Labo na mata ko. To the ball game. Pero kailangan makalaro ni Sir Ronnie bago mag-ano. Pink ball. Ayan, nakawala agad. 2 points. Nagko-commotion pa sila. 2 points by Tito Barok. Blanca. 2 points by Kuya Amen. Tatay kayo dyan. Dikit laban natin. Ganda. Ten to shoot. Padingding too high. Ayun nga lang. There was a whistle. Is the foul committed player number? 20. First personal foul, first team foul. 39. For three, short. Taas. Masyadong mataas din. Hindi ka tumalon, Kuya Joven. Yun na yung pinakatalon mo? Fifteen-second shot clock. De Barok. Intercepted. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 11. Nabitawan. Turnover. And Java! 3 points! What a 3-point shot by Sir Enjape. Nakakadalawa na. Pinapakitaan kayo, Coach Perry. Ano ba yan? Binawi! 3 points din! By Sir Simon. Grabe ang laban to. All 23 na naman tayo. Kuya Ameng, dala ng bola. 15-second shot clock. Pass to Kuya Joven. Kay Sir Enjape na naman, short. Sir Gilbert. Pass to Sir Tom Sawyer. Inabot! What a block by Blue Mama. Grabe yun. Inabot pa yun. Sure ball na yun, oh. Sir Tom. Ang ganda. Oo. Top play of the game. Hinabol eh. There's a foul committed by Kuya Joven. Number 42, 41, second personal foul, second team foul. Second personal, second team foul. No good? Two points. Grabe yun. May blanca na, may opensa pa. Shot clock 10. 4-3 again, too strong. Black Mamba for the rebound. Nakakuha yan ni Kuya Men. Grabe yung ahas na Kuya Men. 2 points for Kuya Joven. Grabe si Kuya Joven. Kumaka na. Wala siya last game, oh. Bumawi. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. 8 to shoot. Nice spin by Sir Tom Sawyer. Short nga lang. What a rebound by Guadagna. And Chavez stops and pumps! Long two! 2 points. Namatay ka. Titingin pa yata yan kay Coach Perry eh. No good. Oh, yeah. But there was a whistle. Who's power up? Time mo daw. Time out! Pink Crushers. Hindi pa po yan palit ha, hindi pa po palit yan. Time out lang po, time out lang. Number 3. Number 3 of white got his first personal foul. Hindi pa po ito sub ha, hindi pa mandatory sub guys. Back to the ball game. Both teams po ay momentum. Nakuha nila ang unang panalo last opening game natin. Who will get the second game and who will get their first loss? Kuya Men. Oh, nice assist na naman. Grabe. 31-23. Napakita talaga si Njape. Dito, pag nakashoot dito, team ha. Okay. 12 to shoot. Sir Tom, no good pa rin. Nakakuha ni Blue Mamba yan. Blue Mamba na ipet. Oops. Stepping on the line. Substitution. Next 5 po tayo. Next 5. Mandatory 5. Substitution. Mandatory substitution tayo. Pakicheck po. Pakicheck. Sir Ronnie, kailangan makapasok na si Sir Ronnie. Kailangan pa makapasok si Sir Ronnie. Hindi makakalaro sa third quarter pag hindi naglaro ng... Isa pa. Okay na? O, wala silang pamalit eh. O, si Blue Mamba muna, umupo na. Wait lang po, wait lang. Njape, ang papasok. Oo. Larry, si Tito Larry na ang pinatan. Si Kuya Lioben. Okay, 2, 4, 5. Yan. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. Okay, let's go. Time to shoot. No good. Okay, Tito Ronnie. Kuya Men, pass to Sir Firma. 12 to shoot. Ang taas. Tito Willie stops and pops. No good yan. Ups lang po. Number 14. Second personal foul on Sir Miranda. Second team foul. Okay. Let's go. Turnover po tayo. $15 to shoot. Nice assist and 2 points for Tito Boy. Ay, Tatay Okop. 3 minutes, 50s. Ano ba to? Obya, Tito Ronnie, stolen. Pass to Kuya Men. Too strong! And Jame was there! Gets his 2 points. Patay ka, Coach Perry. Sa iyo eh. And Jame for the win. 10-second shot clock. Two points. Tatay Jacob. 12 to shoot. 8-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Good. Uy, this is still pa Enjape pa. Seroni. And there's a foul. Oh, sorry. 14 again. Third personal, sir. 13 foul. Number 14, Miranda. Third personal pa. Third personal, sir. Miranda. Aray ko. Tatlo na. First shot is no good. Sabi ni Bossing, huy, tatlo kaya. Wala yung isang tower nyo, si Arky. Wala kang triple tower. Alright, second shot is good. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay.
Team timeout ah.
Shot clock, 7. Alright, but there's a foul. Who's for rep? Number 32? Okay, 20. Timeout! Blue intensity 8. Sino pong for rep? 32. Oh, 32. Ikaw pala, Kuya Amen.
Pangilan na yung
First personal foul. Ball game. Naka-live na po tayo ha. Live na po tayo sa ating Facebook page, Tagaytay City Basketball Club of Corrientes and Cincuentas. And sa atin din pong YouTube page ni Commissioner June Luna. Ayan, June Luna. Subscribe kayo guys sa YT. Nice save! Kanina. Tayo akop. Pass to Tito Boy. Baba na daw kayo. Tayo akop again. Tayo akop 1v1. Nice pass. Oh! 2 points for Bossing. Almost stolen. Steal na. Completed the steal. Ito na. Chance na mapalapat ang kalamangan. No good. Bossing was there. 2 points again for Bossing. Back to back. 29-36. Baba sa pitong hinabol. 55 seconds. Patay ang iguana. Jabe was there. No good. And there's a whistle. Who's far? Number 1. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Kuya mentioned for 2. First shot is padingding shot is good. The signature free throw shot. Second shot. Alright, 2 for 2. Nadagdagan na rin ang kalamangan. 7 na lang kanina eh. Sir George. 15 to shoot. Papa George, 10 to shoot. 4-3 na good. Kuya Amen na naman for the rebound. Ito na. Enjabe. 2v1. Enjabe for 3. Ay! Kala, malay nyo, buenas nga naman. And there was a whistle. It's a foul. 36. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ibang-iba pa naman yung number nila. Hindi ako sanay sa number nila ngayon. Hindi kami sanay sa number nyo, sanay kami sa... parehas pong penalty situation. 3.7 lang tayo, bossing shooter for 2. First shot is no good. Second shot. No good pa rin. 3 seconds! Buzzer na lang po. And that's the end of the first half. Halftime break muna po tayo. Ihi muna ka. Ball game third quarter. No more mandatory substitution. Change card na po tayo. Bye-bye, Leoben. Oops. But there was a whistle. Number 11 got his first personal foul, Sir Tom. First team foul. Sir Ronnie. Shots, libre. 2 points. Second shot clock. 10 to shoot. Shots wala. Too strong. Almost stolen. Ay, same ball. 15 to shoot. There's a foul. Number 41. Third personal foul. First team foul. First shot is good. Third personal na, Kuya Loven, ha? Here we go. The boy shots. Short. Oh. This is still almost stolen. 7-second shot clock. No good. Short. Two points. Uy! Nabitawan. 15 to shoot. Quilyaban for 3 points! Nakakatatlo na yun. Pink Crusher still struggling sa kanilang puntos. Third quarter na po ito. No more mandatory substitution. Tito Larry. There's a foul. Oops. Apa. Wait lang pa. 37. Substitution ref. Second personal foul na player number 37. Second team foul. Ayan. Substitution pa tayo. Number 1 coming in for number 11. Kaya bossing, suklo. Naku, hindi na makakapag-TikTok si bossing. Nasuklo. 2 shots per shot. Yun, kaya. Pwede pa. Second shot. Nagana pa, nagana pa. Oh, di ba? 2 for 2. Kuya Amen. Grabe yung mga... Oh, there's a foul. 7. Tito Larry Flores. Concede. 7 lang, 7. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First shot. Short. Naubos na ang tira. Wek, wek, wek. Second shot. Ay, bounced out. Six minutes, 30 seconds on the clock. No good. Fast break pass! Ang sobrang fast nun. Pero hindi inabutan. Sayang. Ang layo. Twelve to shoot. 10-second shot clock. No good? Oh no! Isa pa! Wala talaga! Nako na ni Kuya Men. Hi! O, Dania. And there's a foul pa. Tita Barok. Okay. Substitution ref. Number 8 got his first personal foul. 13 foul. Ayan. Substitution. Sir Gilbert, ba't tumayo na kayo? Nakakabata ko. First shot is good. Hindi ka. Sa sub ko, hindi mo naman yung ka-team. Second shot is good pa rin. Okay. Ready for sub, Sir Tom? Dito kayo. Yan. 5 minutes, 23 seconds on the clock. Tito Larry Flores. Pass to Kalanog. Ay, nagbalik ang The Fast and the Furious natin dyan, ha? Tandem. Oh, too strong! Ayun lang. Wait lang po. Wait lang po, report muna tayo. Who's for rep? 37. Third personal foul. Sige na po, pasok na, substitution. Nila-report muna po yung foul bago po tayo nagpapasab, ha? 13 foul. Number 37, third personal, 13 foul. 13 foul lang po. Oh, talagang hindi makashoot ang signature tier. Pero grabe yung hustle talaga. Bossing! 2 points. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Sir Tom Sawyer, stolen, fixed pass, pero yun na nga. Finger roll is good. Eto na. The hustle. The lead is down to 6. And there was a foul. Number 3, Simon, second personnel. Warning for penalty substitution, Sir Miranda coming in for. Okay pa. Bossing. Ang mga buto-buto. Ano, bossing, kaya pa? First shot is no good. Di talaga makashoot din. Second shot. Dulas. 4 minutes, 28 seconds on the clock. Shot clock 12. Hindi makapenetrate ang pink team. Ang lalaki kasi ng ano. Kanina bala. Nakakapani ko yung amen. Kuya Amen. Nice pass to Kuya Liaven. 2 points. Focus, focus, mga sir. Mas focus. 3 minutes. 46 seconds. Ay, ano ba yun? Hindi ko naman sa. For 3 na good. Rebound the Blue Mamba. Fast break, sakto. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Patay tayo dyan. Ano na, Tito Larry. Lumayo na naman, 6 na lang kanina to. Ready for sub. Oops, there was a whistle. Sino daw? Number 33, substitution. Number 33 got his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams are warning for penalty. Two points. Sige pa. 3 minutes on the clock. Amen. Guarded by Consilari. 15-second shot clock. Patay na naman. Anderson and 1. There's a basket. Sinamahan pa na foul. Who's foul rep is foul with the player number 11, Sir Tom. Substitution rep. Consi Larry out. Papa Georgie, number 11, Sir Tom. Second personal foul. Penalty situation po ang ating Pink Crushers. Both teams are in penalty situation. The Blue Mamba shooting for 2. First shot. Sorry. Bonus shot is no good. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Ako, turnover pa tayo. Hello po. Yes po, kasali po si Sir Dekdek dito. Sa black team po siya last game. Last game, black versus green. Patay kayo. Ay, the blue mamba, isa pa! But there was a foul. It's a foul committed to player number 14, Sir Miranda. Fourth personal foul. Substitution. Substitution na. Pumasok na ang Alvin Patrimonio ng 50. Oo, dapat number 16 daw yan. Ba't number 6 kayo? Alvin Patrimonio ng 50. Si Sir Gilbert. Russia is no good. Sir Miranda, apat ng foul nyo. Second shot. Wala talaga. Bossing for the rebound. Ay! Almost stolen, but not quite.
Lumalamig na ang gabi na.
Lumalamig ang gabi. Of course. Yeah. Bitin ang tira ni Sir Gilbert. Shots wala. Bossing for the rebound. Nakakuha ni Tito Willie. Almost stolen. Alright, last touch daw po ang ano. Last touch. Alam mo yung inasar pa eh. Ikaw daw last touch, Sir Tom. Sabi. Kuya Men Guadanya, oops. Ayun, nag-iisa-isa Sir Tom. Hahabulin ni Kuya Liamen. Sure ball, 2 points. 43-52. 9-point lead. Does a steal again. Oh! 2 points. And the lead is down to 7. 7 na lang uli ang hinahabol. Ayun, turnover pa. Papa George for 3! So good, sayang. There was a whistle. Who's power up? Number 4. Penalty situation po tayo. Number 4, first personal foul. Kuya Man shooting for 2. First shot is so good. Ayan. Tinampal nyo kasi. Second shot. Natampal. Is good. 28 seconds on the clock. Tapa. Kuya Men. Naabutan pa. Oo. Time to shoot. Sir Tom Sawyer. No good. Grabe si The Blue Mamba. Ang sipag talaga sa rebound. 2v2 situation, oh. Oh, nice rebound by Papa George. Yun ang And the third quarter, score po natin is 45-53 in favor of the blue team. Back to the ball game, fourth and final quarter, last 10 minutes of the game. Kung walang overtime. Wala po ang iniwang kalamangan ng ating Blue Crushers. Blue Intensity 8, pinagsama na ang blue at pink. Here we go. 2 points. Kuya Joven, but there was a whistle to referees. Number 11, Sir Tom Sawyer. Third personal foul. Number 11, Sir Tom Sawyer, third personal foul. First team foul. Lack of shooting. First shot is the good. Rebound pa. Thirty seconds. Shot clock 17. No good. Sir Tom Sawyer. 10 to shoot. But there was an out of bounds. Turnover pa tayo doon. Wala pa. Huwag na dito kasi may ano. Nandiyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Sayang naman. All right, Flores. Consi, pass to Bossing. 2 points for Bossing. Oo nga. Sinasanay na lang namin ang mga sarili namin sa uniform. Jaffe, shot clock 10. Bye-bye for three, no good. Nakuha ko amen pa rin. Grabing hassle yan. No good. Same ball. Ayun si Ana. Si Ana. Ayun sila ng ano. And again, Bossing for the rebound. Consilary, pass to Bossing, Bossing. Naipit. Tay kayo dyan. Jump ball na. Pwede daw pong, ano na lang. Rep, pwede daw tatalon. Bossing versus Njaffe. Kidding. Here we go. Bilis. Kuya Joven too strong, but Tito Boy was there. Ilan na ulit? 6 na naman, 6. Need to shoot 2 points.
Grabe naman kayo kay Sir Enjape, Substitution. Kuyo. Okay, Sir Enjape. Patay ako coming in for Enjape. Ha? Tig-tatlo. Pero mawawala po yan. Pag hindi nagamit under 2 minutes yung isa, mawawala. Okay pa. Still pa. Grabe yun. 51-55. Oh!
Time out.
Time out! Pink Crushers! With 5 minutes and 50 seconds on the clock. Ang labo kasi ng mata natin. Hindi natin nakikita yung ganong kaliit. 51-55. Here we go. Shot clock 10. In and out. Hilawa pa. Opia. There was a foul. Foul committed player number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 8, second personal, second team foul. First shot is good. Second shot no good. Turnover. I'm in a hold. That's his turnover. And then Sir Tom Sawyer. Pass it to Tito Willie. Tito Willie. Short. Panik ko yung amin niya. Pass to Tatay Okop. Apa. Uy, patay ang iguana. Shots, wala pa din. No good. That's a rebound by Guadania. Guadania, pass to Tatay Okop. Tatay Okop. There's a whistle. Okay po. Number 8. Substitution ref, substitution. Number 7? 7. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution ref, substitution, okay. Number 7, third personal foul. First shot is good. Second shot. No good. That's a rebound by the Blue Mamba. Grabe yun. 10 second shot clock. 8 seconds. 3 second shot clock. Nice pass. Oh! That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Hindi po tumama sa ring. Kaya ano na yan? 4 minutes on the clock. Anim lang to. Di kita laban ito. Hindi ba to ano? Kayang-kaya pa. 4 minutes pa po. Tito Baroque pass to Tito Larry. Shot clock is 10. 5 to shoot. No good. Eto naman Tatay Okop. Tatay Okop goes straight to the basket. Gets the 2 points. And there was a whistle. Substitution ref, balik na. Bossing and Sir Gilbert coming in. Coming back for the Pink Crushers. Number 41, fourth personal foul. First team foul. Sir Miranda, okay lang po kayo? Goods. Here we go. 15-second shot clock. Sir Tom Sawyer gets the 2 points. 3 minutes 20 seconds on the clock. Anim lang ulit. Kuya Men Godanya. Nice pass. Oh, short. Another attempt. Wala pa din. Pinasa pabalik. Kay Kuya Men, 2 points. Unstoppable. Larry. Pass to Sir Gilbert. Shot clock is 12. Okay pa. It's the 2 points. No good. Ito na, Kuya Lioben. Another 2 points. Time out! Pink Crushers. Isa, dalawa ta. Shout po sa 16 million viewers natin from our Facebook page. Good evening. Yeah, please do follow our page, guys. And subscribe po sa sa YT po ni page ni Commissioner June. Dune Luna, DYUN Luna. Shot clock 15, 2 minutes 23 seconds on the clock. 10 to shoot. Hindi ko na makita ang shot clock. Nakaharang si ref. 2 points for Sir Tom Sawyer. Two minutes, 8 seconds. 15-second shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Nice pass! And the 2 points for Kuya Men Guadanya. Grabe yun. 1 minute, 50 seconds. 2 points. Lumalaban pa si Sir Tom Sawyer. 1 minute, 45 seconds. Mahaba pa to. The Black Mamba pass to Kuya Lioben. 15-second shot clock. 10 to shoot. 8-second shot clock. Tatay Okop. Low post pass kay Kuya Amen. Too strong. 24, oh yeah. 1 minute, 21 seconds. Sir Tom Sawyer again for the 2 points. Time out though. Time out! Intensity 8. Medyo kailangan nila ng stop for the, non-stop or Sir Tom Sawyer. Tig-isang bench timeout na lang po kayo, guys. And tig-dalawang players timeout. Tig-isang bench, tig-dalawang players timeout.
to the ball game po tayo. Fourth and final quarter with 1 minute 18 seconds on the clock. Blue, isa na lang po yung bench nyo pa ha. Isa na lang. Ang pink, isa din po. Tig-isa. Tig-isang bench, tig-dalawang players. Timeout. Both teams.
Nakita mo?
Alright, stepping on the line, si the Blue Mamba. Ito na, chance sa uli ng Pink Crushers. 6 lang to. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. And there was a whistle pa. Who's foul ref? 41. Number 41, graduate. 5 fouls po. Exit na muna, sir. Sayang naman yun. Ang gadami nyo pa namang puntos. Sir Tom Sawyer should for 2. First shot is Dulas. Second shot. Second shot is good, but in 2 for 2. The lead is down to 4. 60. 61-65. Eto na, bakbakan. Nakakuha pa ni Tito Boyot. Tumira. Bossing was there. 43 seconds. So, Sir Tom Sawyer, 2 points. And the lead is down to 2. Timeout. Blue Intensity 8. Napaganda pa nga ang laban.
Ang ganda ng laban. Lumikat. Ito ba ba? Ayan. Sayang yun. Ilang pa lang ano. Madami pa na.
Back to the ball game po tayo. And the lead is down to 2 with 43.7 on the clock. Pinaganda pa. Blue, wala na po kayong bench timeout pero may dalawang players timeout po kayo ah. Ang ating pong pink may isang bench, dalawang players timeout. Ang sinong penalty? Hindi, wala. Eto na! Nahuli pa! That is just for the tie! No good! That to shoot! 8-second shot clock! And 2 points! We are deadlock! Eto pa si Blue Mamba! 2 points din! Oh my God! Time out! Pink Crushers! Oh my God! This game is so intense! Ang ganda ng fast break pass na yun! Oh my God!
Gusto mo soft drinks? Water. Water.
And what an intense game! Grabe naman yun! Ang ganda! Wala na kayong bench. Both teams, wala nang bench timeout. Parehong players timeout na lang po. Dalawang players timeout both teams. Ang pink natin, third team foul. Blue, second team foul. May mga fouls to give pa tayo ha. 15.5 on the clock. 15.5, what a game. Grabe yung intense na laro na to. Eto na, Sir George. Nasa Sir Tom Sawyer, Patrick! 3 points! Alright, time out! Ano ba nangyari? Ay, wala, hindi pala. 3 points for Sir Tom Sawyer. Grabe yan!
team foul, second team foul. Ayan po. Third team foul, second team foul. 10 seconds. Okay. Time out po ba? Time out po ba? Time out! Blue team, nag-players time out now. Kaya nga sabi ko sa iyo. Nearest po yun tayo ha. Ref nearest. Nearest. Third team foul ang blue. Second team foul. Third team foul ang pink. Second team foul ang blue. Grabe yun. Napatayo naman ang mga manonood doon ni Sir Tom Sawyer. Oh. Napaka-intense. Back to the ball game. Wala na po kayong timeout. Players timeout na lang dalawa. Dalawang players timeout sa pink, isa sa blue. Wala na po, wala na po. Wala kayong bench timeout. Okay? Oh my God. Eto na, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds po. Oh! There was a foul pa. Foul coming to player number 2. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Gandang laban ito. Five seconds. All right. Oh! Teka, may whistle tayo. Oh my God, there's a whistle before. Teka lang po, itay natin ang referee's decision po. Wait lang po. 68-67 tayo. Tingnan natin. Oops, wait lang po. Ano lang tayo? Players po, labas na sa court. Wala po tayo. Foul! Player number 11. And there's a penalty. Tapos po, ito na. Enjape for the win. Tingnan natin. Pag na-shoot ni Enjape ang dalawa. Okay, pag na-shoot po ni Enjape ang dalawa, they will win this game. Okay? Okay? Ay, bakit niyo po sinasermonan? Labas na po. Wala na po tayong oras. Labas na po si Sir Enjape na lang ang ano dyan. Ang tao dyan. No more time na po tayo. Labas all players. Thrower lang matitira dyan. Okay po. Okay. Nauna po ang foul sa buzzer, so pwede daw, may matitira ba po? May 0.1 second pa. May millisecond. 0.1 po yan. Pwede pa pong rebounder kasi po foul muna bago buzzer daw. May millisecond pa daw po yon. Second team foul po kayo ha? Wait lang po. Penalty rin po yan, penalty. Enjape for the win. Pag na-shoot ni Enjape ang dalawa, they will win this game. Pag po isa, overtime. Ano na? Yung oras po ba? Hindi na ma-reset kasi may win eh. May win na po kasi tayo. Paano? Wait lang po. Yung oras kasi natin. Babasar na lang po yan. 0.1 na lang po yan eh. Wala na. First throw for Enjape for the win! Eto na. Another 5 minutes of the game. Another 5 minutes of the game. And Jape for another 5 minutes of the game. And we got... Ano? Ano yan? Point 1 lang po yan. Point 1. Point 1. Okay. Point 1 po yan. Point 1 ha. All 68 po. Score natin. All 68. Doon po. Doon ang players timeout. Ayan. Point. Grabe naman banto. Huh! And, Sir Enjape, kung na-shoot mo yun, panalo na kayo eh. Point 1 na lang po ito ha. Point 1. Wala na. Point 1. Point 1.
Pagkuha, i-buzzer mo na agad.
Okay. Alright. And we are overtime for the second game. Sige, reset mo na lang 5 minutes. All 68 po tayo. Grabing laban yon. Whew. Another 5 minutes of the game po tayo. What a comeback by the Pink Crushers. They were down by almost 16 points. Last 5 minutes of the game. Teka lang po. Coach Perry, ayan na. Tigis ang bench ulit yan. Tigis ang bench timeout, tig dalawang players timeout ulit. May players timeout ulit. Reset. Pero ano po tayo, continuous ang ating penalty, ang team foul. Pero ang Coach Perry, tama, isang bench, dalawang players ulit yan. Okay. Here we go. Grabing laban to, guys. Ang unang overtime of the season 4. Same ball. First overtime of season 4. Last 2 minutes din po yung ating players timeout, ha? Hindi po dito. Tigisang bench ulit, tig dalawang players timeout. Okay pa. 15-second shot clock. Butata. Sir Tom Sawyer ulit! Perjury! 3 points! Nag-iinit, nagbabaga, naglalagablab ang kamay ni Sir Tom. And that was almost the winning shot kanina. 12 to shoot. Sir Enjape, bumawi. No good. Nakakuha ni Papa Show, but there's a foul. Oh my God, there's an number 39 unsportsmanlike foul. 3 minutes po yan.
Coach!
Tatay Okap, 3 minutes rest po tayo. 39, upo po. 3 minutes rest. Unspot po yun. Pasok isa. Pink Crushers, pasok po isa. Ay, sorry, sa ano pala, blue. Pasok po isa, blue. Hindi nakashoot si Papa George. Ayun! Second shot is good for Coach George. Ayan. Shot clock 14. 72, 68. 5 to shoot. Perjury! 3 points! And the momentum was on Pink Crushers. Grabing momentum yun. Oops, there's a steal pa. Na momentum pa. Shoutout po kay Rocky Marasigan. Shoutout po kay Rocky Marasigan from Kuya Robel Marasigan. 2 points. Hello po. Happy viewing, Rocky Marasigan and Kuya Robel Marasigan and family. It's good. 15 to shoot. Okay pa. Good, 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 good. Si Coach. Number 11 got his fourth personal foul kaya Sir Tom Sawyer. And then naman si Sir Njape shooting for 2. First shot. Good. Ayan. Kung ganyan kanina, panalo na sana kayo doon, Sir Njape. Second shot. Oh, di ba? Sayang eh. 2 for 2 na sana yun eh. Binubulungan kasi ni Sir Gilbert kanina, mag-iinom tayo pag hindi mo sinut yan. Sabi nga ni Sir Gilbert. Alright. Time remaining 3 minutes, 5 seconds on the clock. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sir Tom Sawyer! No good. Rebound, nakuha pa yan. Uy, amen, kuha na niya. Chance. 2 points! Hanap pa ng foul. 2 minutes, 38 seconds. 77-72, 5 lang yan. Ang haba pa. Bossing was there again. 13 seconds shot clock. Papa George for 3, no good. Nako ni Kuya Amen. Kuya Amen. Guna niya. Up, yeah, but there's a whistle. Number 7. Okay, substitution ref. Number 7, fourth personal foul. Penalty situation po yun, ha? Ang ating Pink Crushers. Tatay akap. Yan. Kuya Men, first shot is good. Number 39. Ready for sub po. Ready for sub. Pag shoot, substitution tayo. Second shot. Oops. Oh, stepping on the line. Substitution. Nakaapak sa guhit. Sayang naman. 2 minutes, 17 seconds on the clock. 2 minutes, 17 seconds on the clock.
Kaya niya nang walang palitan. Court to court yan eh.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Hindi ko makita uli. Gawa ni ref. Nakaharang si ref. 5 to shoot. Oh! Bossy was there for the 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Hindi ko po nakita yung timer natin. Harang si ref. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. 1 minute 47. Hindi ko nasabi yung last 2 minutes kanina. Nagdilang ano ako, sabi ko, baka OT. Nag-OT nga. Sa labas pa. Out, nasa labas pa. Okay, last game natin for tonight. Green versus Black. Parang finals game 3 lang yan. Green versus Black. Green Cityscape versus Black Panther. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot. Shots wala, teardrop is no good. Nako ni Blue Mamba. Kuya Amen. Almost lost the ball. Sir Njape. Njape. Wala talaga. Ito na. 1 minute. 3v1 situation. Okay ba? Ready for substitution? Ayun, libre. Sir Njape.
2 points. Under 1 minute for the overtime. 81-75. Balik sa anim. Shot clock 8. There was a foul committed by player number 32. Number 32. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Second personal warning for penalty. Sino po yung sasab kanina? Mamaya po. Mamaya po. Wait lang po. Mamaya po. Ayan. First shot is the good. Pag na-shoot pa. Second shot. Second shot is good. Substitution ref, Tatay Okop coming in for Serenjape. Ayun lang, walang tao dun. 35.1. 35 po.
Ay, time out, time out.
Time out! Pink Crushers.
Nakakambak is rin na.
Ora. Back to the ball game. Time remaining natin is 35.1 seconds. Oo, wala si Kuya John Godanya dito sa Blue Den. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5-second shot clock. 10 seconds remaining na. Still pa. And that would be it. Ito na po yan. Congratulations to our Pink Crushers for an epic comeback. What a game! First overtime of the season. Best player of the game, Sir Tom Ramos. What a good game battle between pink versus blue, and what an epic comeback by the pink team. Lamang halos natambakan kayo po ng 16-15, but you came back and you won with an overtime pa yan. At ang nagpanalo doon ang inyong 3 points. And kayo pa ang best player of the game, number 11, Sir Tom Ramos with 24 big points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, 6 steals. Wow! Ano naman sa isip nyo kanina, Sir Tom, natambakan na kayo pero wala, kumpiyansa pa rin ang pagtira and hindi kayo na panghinaan ng loob and you won the game pa with lamang kayo ng lamangan nyo sila ng malaki-laki pa.
Okay. Thank you po sa lahat. Lalo-lalo na po sa team, no? Sa kalaban din. Nice game, mga brad. So yun, kanina kasi, yun nga, medyo malas-malas kami. Kahit tutok na talaga din makashot. Pero yun, at the end, medyo sinuwerte naman ng konti, kaya nakakambak naman kami. Yun po, binabalti ko lahat po ng mga 40s, Kikom, 50s, sa lahat po ng team, sa mga lahat ng manood, sa family ko, nandiyan lahat sila. Oh. So, thank you, thank you.
Congratulations, Sir Tom Ramos, for being the best player of the game. 2-0 ang Pink Crushers natin. We'll see you again later po sa ating black versus green. Bye-bye.
Damn.